Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good, and I'm Ritu. I make content related to beauty, DIY, skincare, fashion and hauls. In case you are new to the channel, just make sure that you hit the subscribe button and join the beauty squad. And in today's video guys, I want to share my aloe vera hacks with you all. Now if you are following me since a while, you know that I'm a person who is obsessed with aloe vera. I use aloe vera on my face, on my hair, on my body because aloe vera has amazing benefits. Now I also get asked a lot about it causes irritation on the skin and it might cause itching. So yes, I have a very safe alternative for you guys, and today I want to be specifically talking about this boroplus aloe vera gel with the goodness of green tea. Now it has been quite some time since I'm using this, and believe me, it helps in giving me that amazing shine to the face. It helps in hydrating the skin and also helps in moisturizing it up. Now it is completely safe to use because it is free from harmful chemicals. So this experience is just gonna be using raw aloe vera with the benefits of green tea. So yes, without further ado guys, we are gonna be talking about each hack. So the first one is gonna be applying it as a toner on the face. So in the morning when I wash my face and when I hop out of shower, I make sure that I apply it all over the face. You can use it as a toner. It just helps in hydrating the skin and also helps in fading away the dark spots, sunspots you have. And it is said that it also helps in removing the fine lines and wrinkles you have on your faces, because when your skin is hydrated guys, it has that moisture it needs. So that is completely understood guys. When your skin is moisturized and hydrated, it is eventually gonna look very beautiful and glowing from inside out. So yes, make sure that you're using it twice. If you really want to get some good results, just use it in the morning and in the night. After you wash your face, just take a generous amount, apply it all over your face and your neck, and you're going to be good to go.
And the reason why I love boroplus aloe vera gel is because it has anti-aging properties. It is suitable for all seasons. It is rich in vitamin E. It soothes and cools down the skin. It has non-sticky and lightweight formula. It is free from parabens and sulfates. It can also be used as your daily skincare routine. So roz lagao, befikr ho jao. So guys, hack number 2 is gonna be using aloe vera as under eye treatment. I'm someone who has lots of dark circles. So yes, even as we age, we start to get those fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. The area is very sensitive, so we need to take extra care of the skin around the eyes. So for that, I make these aloe vera gel ice cubes at home. All you need to do is make these ice cubes, add a bit of aloe vera gel, give it a nice stir, and in the morning or even after 3-4 hours, your ice cubes are gonna be ready. So I'll tell you how to use it and what it does. Now aloe vera has amino acid, vitamins, enzymes which helps in boosting up collagen production, and it is also rich in hyaluronic acid. So most of the times when we get these dark circles, it is because of lack of hydration guys. So I recommend you guys to drink lots of water and just use this hack, and it is really going to be helpful. Next up is going to be using aloe vera as leave-in hair conditioner. So I'll tell you, aloe vera has lots of amino acid, vitamin A, C and E, which helps in strengthening up hair follicles. It helps in repairing your hair follicle, protects its shine, and it also helps in giving your hair UV protection. Also, it helps in removing the frizziness you have in your hair. So yes, you can use it as your leave-in conditioner. So guys, the last hack is gonna be using aloe vera as your post-shaving skin treatment. So whenever I remove my hair, I make sure that I use aloe vera at the end of my shaving routine, because we get those nasty dark spots and even the strawberry legs. Everybody around has this problem, and it usually happens because your skin gets dried and your skin might get some infection. So aloe vera has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps in hydrating the skin, it helps in moisturizing the skin, and it also has this component called aloe, which has these properties which helps in removing those dark spots you have on the skin. So with that, we are going to be wrapping up today's video. Make sure that you check out boroplus aloe vera gel in the description box below, and I love you all so much.